In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a step-by-step tutorial of how you can actually start promoting these Store 24 products. So if this is something that you're looking for, definitely this video is for you. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, this is going to be a step-by-step tutorial of how you can start promoting these Store 24 products in exchange of a commission. Something really important, guys, is that this is by no means a get-rich scheme. Okay, you need to be consistent with the implementation. You need to watch the video, and I can tell you that the result might come. In my case, by using these exact same strategies, I have been able to replace not one, but two full-time jobs. So I can tell you that this actually works, but you need to have a commitment with yourself. You need to have to be a commitment with your success. Okay, so now let me share with you my screen because I want to make sure that we are actually on the same page. Okay, as I mentioned before, we are going to be using an marketplace that is called the Store24. Diana, does that means that we cannot use any other marketplace? For some reason, I cannot use the Store24, so I cannot apply this strategy. Yeah, you can use any other marketplace. There is no problem with that. You can use ClickBank, JVSU, WirePlus, Commission Junction, and others. Literally, you can type on Google the Store24 alternative, and you're gonna have a list of alternatives that you can actually use. Okay, so this is actually the homepage of the Store 24. Actually, I'm logging here on my account, so we're gonna go here to the marketplace. Let me go here real fast. Okay, here we have different languages because they do have products in different languages. Here we have the digital products. These are the categories. The top niches are on the health, wealth, and relationship, but this is by no means an indicator that you cannot promote another product. Okay, I'm not telling you that. You can actually promote other products, but the top or the most profitable online niches, and this is just for your information because I'm pretty sure that people are wondering, are health, wealth, and relationship. Okay, so here you can see several things. Right now, I have everything ordered by popularity. So that means that these are the top products right now on the Store 24. This is something that is, uh, it's always changing. So chances are that maybe when you watch this video, this is going to be looking a little bit different. Okay. So this is the price of the product and this is your commission. Okay, this is actually your commission, the product, the price that you see on the right. Okay, here we have different type of products. We have digital products, we have physical products. I already choose the one that I'm going to be sharing with you, which is going to be this one. Okay, it's going to be this one, this mitochondrial formula. Okay, this is a supplement. This is a physical product. Oh, and just in case that you're wondering, like, then how do you get that information? Because right now I see that this is actually small. Literally, you click on it, and you're gonna have more information. Okay. Um, Here you're gonna have more information about it and all this stuff. Okay. So let me go here, and these are some things that actually I take into consideration if I'm gonna be promoting a product. Because if you notice, these two products, okay, are giving me the opportunity to earn more commission. I already request this to promote. I'm waiting for the link. So it's a product that you are not going to be able to promote it right away. That's one thing. The other thing, if I click here, you're going to see the cart conversion. It's 2%, which is actually good. Okay, this is actually good. But if I compare it to this one, the cart conversion is 9%. Okay, and the earning per visitor is almost $13. That doesn't mean that per click I'm gonna get paid, but that means that on average, okay, for every 100 people or for every click people send, target traffic. This is what I'm gonna be showing you. This is how you're gonna be earning. Okay. So with that says, I decided like, hey, this look like a product that I can feel comfortable promoting. Okay, based on the topic and all the stuff. You can click here, and actually you must check the sales page. This is actually the sales page. It looks really professional. I like the fact that you see the guarantee right away. So I think that's another reason why people are purchasing it, because they feel comfortable, when they watch this and they're like, okay, we have this guarantee. They learn about the product. Uh, this is actually, a really bold statement. Like, you're going to notice an improve of 3,000% in just 30 minutes. Okay. So we have a lot of information, supplement stuff. Here again, the 100% satisfaction guarantee with the money back guarantee. Okay, here's some FAQs, and these are the bottles. This is the reason why people are actually, making a purchase, because here, for example, this says like if they purchase 6 bottles, it's going to be almost $67 per bottle plus free shipping. Okay, so it's an instant saving of almost $200. People really like that. So I really like this. You also need to check here where it says affiliate support page. Not every single product have it. Okay, but it's actually a good thing. Is actually you are getting started. Here you're gonna learn more about the the audience. Okay, here you're gonna get more about the audience. And here, for example, yeah, they mentioned it before, like a 60% conversion rate, where you can market. Okay, here, for example, you can market on your websites, social media, email marketing. There is no minimum order required. So that means that literally you can start earning money right away. Here they're telling like, hey, you can promote it here. How you can get support if you want some extra materials, how you can get your affiliate links, the best ways to promote, where's the audience, and all that stuff. So actually really, really good. Some keywords. I'm going to be talking about that more later on, and some emails as well. Okay. So we have a lot of information, and this is actually good when we are getting started. Now, there are several ways in which you can promote this. The first one is by using Pinterest. Pinterest is a social network, but it's also a search engine. It's the third most popular search engine. And there are studies that there is a lot of people who are actually looking for pins. And if they like the information, they're going to click on it and they're going to be making the purchase. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell. And if you want to know what's my number one recommendation, check the very first link in the description. Also, let me know where you guys are from, because I want to make sure that I'm going to be creating content that is actually available in your area. The other thing that I like about Pinterest, and I'm going to show you here, is the fact that you don't need to have a huge following in order to earn a good amount of traffic. For example, this page, it only has 8 followers. That's it. Just 8 followers, and look, over 100,000 monthly views, which is actually incredible. Okay. Because most of the time, the relationship between, followers, subscribers, it's not this insane. There is no other way in which I'm actually replace it. So how you can actually get the traffic, or how do you can actually start, building your Pinterest page. Okay. First of all, well, you need a logo, you need a banner, you need some text here. So we're going to be using a couple of tools. The first one for the image, you can go to Pexels. You can go to pexels.com and you can use these images. Okay. For the banner, really easy, really simple. Literally, you can download the image here on pexels.com. Okay, that's the very first thing if you're looking for an image. Now, how you can create your logo, super easy, super simple. Go to canva.com, open a free account, type logo, and you're going to have the opportunity to customize your favorite logo. So again, Super cool, super easy. Um, right now, Canva also have like AI generator tool in which you can describe what you have in mind, and it's gonna create the image for you. Just to take that into consideration. But trust me, with all the templates that you have, you're gonna find one that you like, and you can customize it. They also offer all the elements and everything, so you don't need to go to another uh, tool in order to find them. Okay, so now we already have the banner and we already have the logo. Now we need a simple text. Okay, so here I use ChatGPT and I told ChatGPT, can you create a short Pinterest account description about health supplements? This is it. Discover natural health supplement, wellness tips, daily boosts for energy, immunity, and vitality. Okay, feel your best inside and out. That's it. So now you're going to notice that the images are really simple. Okay. You can find images that are working or accounts that are working and replicate them. You can do it yourself or you can hire someone on Fiverr. Okay. On Fiverr, literally, you're going to have people who can do it for $10, package of 30, and so on. Okay. Or you can actually do this super simple images. That's it. Now, what we need to do, we are going to be using two strategies. The first one is that we need to capture their name and email address. We're going to be creating a system. Okay. So if you notice here, we are going to actually use the link below and we're going to be using Systemio. Okay. Systemio is only one marketing solution. Here you can see that they already built this, but the thing with this type of page, although he's getting a lot of traffic, is the fact that this is a hit and miss strategy. If I did not make the purchase, this person just don't have any other way in which they can actually get back to me. Okay. And offering me other products, other services. So I don't like that. Okay. I definitely, if you are looking to earn really good money, this is not the way you need to do it. So you need to capture their name and email, and you can offer a lead magnet. Literally, I can ask ChatGPT, can you please uh, give me an ideas for lead magnets? Okay, or lead magnets ideas. Boom. Okay, here we have free guides, quiz, checklist, meal plans. Okay, I can tell ChatGPT like, hey, please, I want to create, for example, a free ebook. I like the ultimate beginner's guides for natural supplements, or I like this one, the 10 most have supplements for energy focus. Okay, can you develop this? Okay, so ChatGPT literally is going to create it, and we can actually put all the text and all the stuff using Canva. Okay. How you can create this, open a free account with the link below using Systemio. You're going to click here where it says websites. You're going to click here where it says sales funnels. You're going to click here where it says create, put a name. The name is just for your internal use. If you already have your domain connected, you're going to say it here. You're going to click here where it says build on audience. And you're going to click here where it says save. As you notice, I have tons of funnels so far, 34 funnels. I really like this tool. I know it is actually a must. Okay. So you're going to click on here and literally you don't need to create anything. Everything is already here for you. You're going to choose the design that you like the most and you can customize it. This is a drag and drop builder and you literally can start using it with a free account. So you're going to have the opportunity to even start earning money before paying for Systemio. Okay. So use the link below and open the free account and you're going to have the everything, literally everything that you do. And you can actually customize. The designs are really, really professional. Even you have here the thank you page. Now, the second strategy, and we can do actually the same with, um, with Systemio, and the reason why we're doing this is that sometimes Pinterest don't have any kind of issues if we send traffic directly to the affiliate link. Sometimes they do have issues with that. And remember what I told you, the hit and miss strategy. Okay. So I prefer to send them to my capture page and doing a follow up. You can do literally everything with ChatGPT, like build email sequence and all that stuff. Okay. The second strategy is that we can go and we can create a blog. We can also do the same here with System.io. You can actually create your blog. How you can actually get the article? There is a tool for that that is way better than ChatGPT because it's focused on search engine optimization. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna put it on Pinterest, but also we are gonna have the opportunity to have it listed on Google as well. If you remember, and let me go back here, they are giving me the demography. Okay, so I can use this information, but they're also giving me the keywords. Okay, so with SEO writing, which is I'm going to be leaving a link below, you can click here where it says one click blog post. Okay, and you can put here the main keyword. Okay, remember, uh, this person, it's already giving me the keyword, so I don't even need to think about it. Okay, and here you're going to click here where it says generate titles. It's going to create the title. Use the language. If you speak any other language and you are going to be promoting any other language, choose the one. Choose the article type. Okay. There's going to be a how-to guide. It's going to be a list of goals. There's going to be a product review. It's going to be a comparison. How big the article is going to be, the tone, the point of views, the target countries. If you want to include videos, if you want to include images, if you want to include other keywords, if you want to list this article, of course, we're going to be listing it on Pinterest. It can create everything. If you have other articles, you can add the internal links. Okay. So it's going to be do everything for you. Okay. So how does this actually looks like? Okay. This is an article that I actually created using this tool. This is actually how it looks like. And literally you can copy and paste it and you can use it on, uh, in this case, on System.io. So really fantastic, I can tell you. Okay, the use of the AI tools. Okay, I'm going to be leaving the link below. So literally, you can actually go and do this. Okay, so this is for this video. I hope you guys enjoy this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. And remember, if you want to learn more about my number one recommendation, check the very first link in the description. Share this content with you think it's valuable. And if you know someone, he or she might be interested, don't forget to subscribe to your channel, hit notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.